Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Today in this video I'll tell you how you can put app icon or the apps on the home screen or the desktop of your laptop. See here, just like this Google Chrome or Game Loop or Roblox Studio, you can put any app on the desktop or home screen on your laptop. First of all, to do that, click on this Windows logo key and search for the app you want to put. Say for example, I'll be deleting this Roblox Studio shortcut or the app shortcut, so I deleted it. Now I'll try to put it back here. So on the search, what I'll be doing is I'll be searching Roblox Studio. See here, this is the one, right? You can click on open file location, or you can right click and click on open file location. Anything is fine. So this will give the Roblox Studio. Just minimize or just drag this to a side and drag and drop. Simple. See, so when I double click on this will open the app itself. See, it is running. Likewise, I'll again do one more app on my computer. So where is anything? Google Chrome, Game Bar, what does it know? Media player. Okay, any other app which I installed? Journal app. Yeah, Geo Hotstar. Drag and drop. So replace the file and the disk. Okay, I already have this icon, that's why it is saying replace. I'll be clicking on replace, so this gets replaced. So this is how simple you can put any app on the home screen. Okay, even you can just use another option like unpin. It is saying, say for example, this word, you can pin it to the taskbar also. Here also you can pin it for the easy access or quick access, you can say. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.